Howdy, y'all. Welcome back to another episode of Beer Porn. Today, we've got coffee peanut butter cup porter. Porter with peanut butter powder, coffee, and lactose. Ooh. 9% ABV. And this is a big one. How big are you? 1 pint, 6 fluid ounces. It's from Campanology Brewing, which is basically just a Trader Joe's label. They're in Wisconsin. I forget who. Unibrow, I think, maybe does their Campanology label brews. Anyway, I like coffee and I like peanut butter cups. Let's see what we got. There's a dog barking if I don't throw the ball. So if I keep it here, she's not as bad. At least that's my theory. Ooh, smells like peanut butter cups. Glug, 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 glug. Pours nice and dark like a coffee. Decent head. Really dark. Peanut butter cup. You can smell the lactose. Sweet. Wow, that's sweet. Getting the coffee, getting the peanut butter, a little bit of cocoa bitterness. Yep. Now I can get the cocoa. Not milk chocolate, it's cocoa. It's not bad. It's high in the lactose, it tastes like. Feels like. So, it's okay. Worth trying once a year when it comes out, maybe. For sitting around with your friends and tasting different beers. But, sorry, she's really obnoxious if I'm not throwing the ball. And she puts it where I can't reach it. Yes, you do. Thank you. Anyway, sorry. Where was I? Drinking beer. It's sweet. I'm more of a hophead, or like a really good stout. So sweet's not really my ballywick, but it's not bad. So, for the benefit of those of you with flash photography, you're welcome. Anyway, that's what we got today. An okay coffee peanut butter cup porter. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Cheers.